sun shining down. Black Leyland P766 cruising through the town. Yeah, yeah. Oh, take my ride. It's a Sunday affair. Feels so right. Cruising down Orange Grove Road, heart in flight. Yeah, got the windows down, music pumping steady. Sunshine kisses skin, everything feels ready. Yeah. Palm trees swaying, Brisbane. This week's worries washed away like the tides gain. Classic cars in line, gleaming like they're fresh out of dreams. The vibe is electric, filled with laughter and team. Yeah, we cruising in the ley line. Take me to the show, Blackwall Mountain boat ramp. Let the good times flow.
Shiny modern classic lines, all the colors right. At the car meet on the edge where the water lies. Cruising in the leyland, everything feels alive. Let's meet up where the cool waves thrive.
Pulling in, I feel the buzz, the crowd gathers near. Stories shared round engines, laughter so sincere. Chrome shines bright, reflections in our eyes. Every car a story, every moment a prize.
Oh, we vibe on the edge where the waves tickle the sand. This afternoon's magic, living life unplanned. Take a look round, every face has a dream. High fives, good times, hear the engine soft scream.
Yeah, we cruising in the leyland, take me to the show. Blackwall Mountain boat ramp, let the good times flow. Shiny modern classic lines, all the colors rise. At the car meet on the edge where the water lies. Cruising in the leyland,
Sunday afternoon. Yeah, we cruising real smooth. Black, whoa, oh, black, whoa, oh, 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 oh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo, Sunday afternoon, yeah, we cruising real smooth. Black, whoa, oh, whoa, oh, oh. Blackwall boat ramp, got that car meet crew. Whoa, oh, whoa, oh, oh, oh. Pull up to the scene, sun dripping down. Chrome reflects like jewels, got the whole town. Rims sparkling bright, paint popping like it's fresh. Engines roll alive, you can feel the zest. Rolling deep, it's a family affair. Camaraderie heavy like the summer air. Whips lined up, a sight you can't miss. From classics to imports, all in the mix. Pulling through the ramp, got the vibes just right. Windows down, feel the energy ignite. Me and my crew, we be chillin' for the day. Cruising through life in that Blackwall way. At the Blackwall boat ramp, cars shining bright. Reflected like mirrors, catching that light. Late Sunday sun, yeah, we keep it tight. Cars lined up, holding it down tonight. At the Blackwall boat ramp, where legends meet. With every rev and roar, you feel the heartbeat. Blackwall, Blackwall, Blackwall. Heads turning everywhere, import dreams, muscle machines, you know how we do. With my brothers and my sisters, it's a vibe, it's true. Conversations flow under that lazy sun. Talking shop, but it's family cause we having fun. Share some laughs, swap a few tales in the fast lane of life, where friendship prevails. From car specs to stories we share and exchange. Under the open sky, everything feels strange. In this sanctuary where the passions met. Every car tells a story, you ain't seen nothing yet. At the Blackwall boat ramp, cars shining bright. Reflecting like mirrors, catching that light. Late Sunday sun, yeah, we keep it tight. Cars lined up, holding it down tonight. At the Blackwall boat ramp, where legends meet. With every rev and roar, you feel the heartbeat. The Blackwall, the Blackwall, the Blackwall. So here's to the rides, here's to the crew. Celebrating life with this view so true. Until the sun dips down and we part our ways. Blackwall vibes forever in these summer days. These summer days.
Yeah. Pull up feeling nice. Sun setting so right. Sunday cruising with the crew. City lights ignite. Yeah. Rolling through the block, got the top down low. Windows down, speakers bomb, feel that bass flow. Sun melting gold, casting shadows on the street. Cars shining like stars, feel like no defeat. Yeah, it's a vibe, no rush, we relax, we glide. Sunday meetups, record energy, paradise. Catching waves at the beach, body beaming in like light. Laughter fills the air as the day fades to night. Rev it up, let it drop, engine roars in our soul. Cruising with the squad, we ain't worried, it's roll. Feel the rhythm in the vibe, got that trap flow tight. Sunday meets the sunset, everything's alright. From the muscle cars to those sleep little rides. Each whip tells a story full of dreams and pride. Pumping on press juice, chilling like a king. Come out of Ray like family, feel the love this brings. Yeah, picture perfect moment, yeah, we live in the scene. Hoodies on smiles, oh, this is our dream. Slowing down the world, ain't no stress, just beats. Every rev in our hearts as the day softly retreat. Ooh, rev it up, let it drop, engine rolls in our soul. Cruising with the squad, we ain't worried, just roll. Feel the rhythm in the vibe, got that trap flow tight. Sunday meets the sunset, everything's alright. Yeah, rev it up, let it drop, engine roars in our soul. We ain't worried, just roll. Got that trap flow tight. Everything's alright. Late afternoon glow, making memories feel new. Gold frames in our minds, every day's a debut. Pulling into the light, it's all love here and now. Got the city as our canvas, let me show you how. So we ride through the sunset, feel the breeze in our dreams. Laid back vibes, young hearts bursting at the seams. Sunday caught me magic, caught in the flow. Together we shine, that's just how we roll.
yeah, that was a cool little meet. First time, I suppose. It's hopefully you get bigger and better. It's a good spot for it. The weather sort of held off for it, but it was just too windy for the drone to go up, so a bit unfortunate. But anyway, had a bit of fun. Got some nice cars. All good. See you in the next one.